Here's the latest on Lee as of the 11 o'clock advisory. It is roughly 360 miles east of the Leeward Islands. Winds of 120 miles per hour, so still a Cat 3 hurricane as it moves west-northwest at 8 miles per hour. Pressure down to 948 millibars. As we go into the afternoon, still maintaining Category 3 strength, and it is expected to strengthen a bit as we go into the overnight hours. But notice as we go towards mid to late week, it does weaken. One of the reasons why is it moves west-northwestward. It's going to tap into some cooler waters and also interact with a little bit more wind shear. So it's going to help weaken the system as it makes that turn to the north or to the right away from central Florida and then head north towards the northern Atlantic, where it'll interact with much cooler waters there. And you can see it weakens to a Cat 1 by Friday morning, and then by Saturday morning still a Category 1 hurricane as it heads either towards the New England coast or the Atlantic Canada. Still too far out to tell. Back here at home, we are looking at some stormy weather this afternoon. I'll track out when to expect those storms, and we can see a possibility one or two of them being on the stronger side. I'll walk you through hour by hour when to expect that wet weather coming up next time when I see you.
All right, Cam. Well, today, Mark.